Run the road, top speed, something like flash.
Choppy line, my youth.
Stop going like, you know.
Stop going like, yeah, Mr. Badman. I want killer there, and Mr. Flames.
Run the road, top speed, something like flash.
What's that? Stop going like, you know, notice. Girl, where your wife give me brain every time I feel like 7 need motive.
Hey.
Yeah, people, so today we're there in our town again. What you know? We'll come back with that type of episode.
Yeah, man. Finish the lyrics.
I get punished. Coming on, I'm money figure.
I'm broke, nigga, I'm broke.
So the song we hear today is Verified CHOPPA by Marksman. People watching us see the song right there, so let's leave a like, leave a share, leave a comment. And like up the song. The song I'll go in the description if you want to see it. So watch you know.
We're going to start with that youth. Watch you know, no? Money road, top speed, something like flash. Watch that.
Stop one like you don't notice, you notice. Girl with your wife, give me and it. What funny is goalless.
Watch you know, you're going to get police in the car.
Get it, man.
You never really do it. So watch you know. Watch you know. Yeah, watch you know. Watch you know. Watch you know. Camera personnel. Yeah, I forgot to get a little net. No, why? Why?
The light. Mighty God.
I tell the people, after the intro, because I don't know when I ramp with people, and you don't know what have the fat now, the fat view can reach it.
Big up Guava Dan for the visuals.
For the visuals, and big up,
What's your name? Prince Guava. Viva.
big up Oshane Motionz.
Really blazing because it's OTP, dog.
Yeah, people, so today we are with
Bombard. Come on, girl. Yo, alright, yeah, but I don't know. See him now video. Him not the video. Oh, it's a tape.
the record.
LRT, is that?
LRT,
Yeah, so-
shout out to Instagram.
Don't know, LRT.
Yeah, people, so today we are with
Wow. Look at talk of fun. Alright, I'm a pain of my bad, man.
Yeah, people, so today we are with
Wow, Tone, you know. Repeat.
yeah, man.
Wow, Tone, you know.
Yeah, people, so today we are with
Bust up me ears, please. Me say Ivy.
yeah, people, so today we are with
Talisha.
Yeah, people, so today we're there. Tell me your name.
Yeah, the boss Flames then I host once again, you know.
Don't know you're going to so watch you now.
yeah, people, so today we are with
He is your cousin.
Eh?
He is your cousin.
Eh?
Joe, me can't hold the mic. You're there with your cousin. He is. Don't know the place. I move with the thing to move fence.
Hey.
Ready?
Yeah, people, so today we're here with.
Jada.
Spell it IG, tell me IG.
JADAKAYDAA. Jada Kada.
So today we have to finish the lyrics and get punished. Without the money figure of my father. What's that now? So today we are use the new song with Jeff, you know. Verified CHOPPA by Marksman. So me run, top speed, so me like flash. There you go. One again.
No. You have to pick up a man song, dog.
Money run, top speed, so me like flash. What's that? Stop going like, you know.
Notice a girl with your wife every day. Give me bread.
Say, go on again, try finish it. Stop going like, you know.
Notice a girl with your wife every day. Give me brains when me feel like somebody motive.
Yeah.
Watch for me call it.
Yes, I don't know. But I don't know everything. What you know? I forget on like a punishment, you know. What's that? Come now. What's that? To that. Alright, respect, yeah?
Run the road, top speed, something like flash.
Choppy line, my youth.
Run the road, top speed, something like flash.
God's plan.
On to the next. Hold on. Go on again. One more chance. Go on again. Go on.
Run the road, top speed, something like flash.
Stop going like you know.
Aye.
I know what it is. Bomb!
You have to finish it or you get punished.
Stop going like you don't notice. You notice.
Yeah.
The killer have been rope twist.
What's that now? You lose a chance. What's that now? I forget police, my father. What's that?
No.
One tier. Listen, man. You never want to finish the song, my father. Come back now, man, and stop it joking. Yeah, joke with the thing now.
You're good.
What?
What's that for?
Come on, man, and stop playing with me.
What that? No.
I hate that, my father, man. No, you're not getting good.
No, but what have I done? Give me,
No,
brother.
you're not getting good. And yeah, man, my youth. You're not sitting up on the channel, bro. On to the next. What's that now? 30 girl they come on. What? 30 girl. Island breeze, so I'm fresh, you know. Make a one post as she wet, you know. Girl there for like crepe, you know. What? Eh? Next girl I tell me for circle down what anyhow. 30 girl they come on a chop. If I here, bro. A student chopper, you know. Hello. Eh? On to your side. I'm tear that when I steal out the man's song. On to the next. You want a punishment then? Come. Eh? On to the next. Yeah, team on my head. What? I'll get you punish my head. Take this out. On to the next.
Yeah. Today we are play finish the lyrics and get punished. So watch out, the song we are using is Verified CHOPPA, you know, man, by Marksman. So watch out, stop going like, you know.
Stop going like, yeah, Mr. Badman, I want killer there, and Mr. Flames, and you step in that boy face anytime they're ready. One kill at the board, one kill at the boss. Hey, don't know. Yeah, turn off with us. No, I'm just checking upon the thing. Yeah, make the thing cross, miserable, hungry. You know the thing how you going on. Yeah. Hey, no, you don't know.
Alright, so watch out now.
Yeah.
Money run top speed.
Money run top speed, I will run the money, all about to run the place. Hey, that's cool, man.
Alright, you don't know about Bad Flames, so watching the people. On to the next. Next.
30 girl they come on.
CHOPPA.
Yeah.
That's it. Me no more.
Zoom in on the camera. What's in there? Ready, my father? Big up a DJ. I real talk, man. Watch out now. See it, watch out now. Outside, and the girl them outside. Big up herself. I don't know I got ready.
So they have to finish the lyrics or get punished. Run the road, top speed, something like Flash.
What's that? Stop going like, you know, notice. Get away your wife give me brain every time I feel like 7 need motive.
Hey.
Don't do that to me. I love you guys. Bye. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye. Follow me on Instagram, Nisha Ivy. And subscribe to my YouTube at Nisha Ivy. You know, if you want my snap, link me. You want my number, link me. I'm not finishing.
Ready? You zoom up. You ready? Oh, yeah, we have to stand. You ready? Alright. Oh, you good, man.
I want the light. You light?
But now say you can't lick me again.
Alright, watch out now. People, on to the next.
On to the next. Bye.
Ow!
What? Yeah, man, say, alright, watch out now to the way up here. Finish the lyrics and get punished. So if you can't finish it, so you know. But we know the song, man. So watch out now. The song is Marksman Verified CHOPPA 2. So you love. So watch out now, the song start. Stop going like you don't know this.
You know what this girl where you want to give me?
Continue.
No, me not know the
Go on. Tell me what you know.
Every time when I feel like some lean motive,
Yeah.
watch for my wrist, Coley.
Hey, so whoa. So come down, friend.
No, me not remember no more than. I just that me know that.
Yeah, go get punished.
Okay, no punishment. Oh God,
So, alright, hold on.
But me sing so much I
You
hear.
can get it for yours.
Just do it.
Let's go, camera guy. That's what I got.
Take it.
What's enough? No, man, right now.
Alright.
You good now?
Yeah, me good now.
Felicia_Foster.
So, we will find you. You don't find us, we will find you, okay?
Alright.
Yeah.
Them call we easy. Them girl easy. deal with the thing like trees. So we breezy, we smoke them and leave them greasy. We chop it up, that's how we greasy. Patty, burger, cheesy. We take them girl easy. We bend it over and squeeze it.
I don't know, you have to get a punishment now.